Hi, I'm LJ and I am going to show you a tutorial on how to draw a white line or white border around a person. This is something that's commonly used for YouTube thumbnails. For some reason it gets a lot of attention, and I'm going to show you how to use it in a program called Photoscape X. So what you can do is type in photoscape.org and come to this page, and you can click on Photoscape X, or you can just type in x.photoscape.org and you'll come to the download windows for Windows operating system or Mac. You can also get a Pro version for Windows. You do not need the Pro version for what I'm going to show you. The basic one will work. So let's open that up now. And let's open up a photo I downloaded from Unsplash, which is a great site for free photos, really free photos. They don't railroad you into signing up with Shutterstock or some other stock company. So let's get started. We're going to go up to Tools. We're going to go to the paintbrush here. We're going to click on the hardness, which is just super sharp right here. And then we're going to make sure it's on white. Okay, because we're going to draw a white line. That's selected already. And then the brush size, what we'll do is hover over the picture and it will show how large it is. You can adjust it here. We have it set all the way down to 5, but you can make it, you know, any size you want here. Let's keep it at 5. And then we can start drawing a line. Now I am using a mouse, so it's going to be a bit sloppy, but for demonstration purposes and for quickness, so you can finish watching this video quickly and start making your own bordered photos. We're going to do that. And if you take a break here and there, you'll be able to undo it in sections. So if you do it in one fell swoop and you hit undo, it's going to undo everything. So just a little extra tip there. We're going to come on down. This is going to be a thumbnail, or it could be. So when we shrink it, you won't see most of the mistakes that I've been doing here. Just come all the way down here. Busted his cheek there for a second. A little sloppiness there, and come around his shoulder. Boom, we're done. All right. It's that this gives you the idea. Of course, you could be more careful when you do your photo. Now we're going to save it all the way down here on the right hand side. Click it, save. Now remember to rename the file something different, otherwise it's going to erase over the other one. So what we want to do is save as, and then what we're going to do is create WB for white border. Add that in there and click save. Boom, you are done. So there you go. So you don't have to download or use Photoshop and do 8 billion different layers, or the same thing with Gimp. This program is really easy to use. It's smack right in the middle of complicated and easy, and it is free. And you are welcome. Thanks for tuning in. This is LJ. Please remember to subscribe and leave me a like, and check out my other website, Two Crazy Vegans. That's pretty new, and we have a lot of fun with that. Thanks again. Take care.